Hello and welcome to another episode of Excel Learning Series with Syed. In this episode, we will see how to split and combine multiple worksheets in Excel. To follow along with me, make sure you have the copy of the zip file downloaded using the link in the video description. Once you open that zip file, you will find a single file that is split worksheets in Excel in the root, and there is a folder combine multiple worksheets in which you will have 4 worksheets, that is East, North, South and West. We will combine these worksheets into a single workbook. Let's take a look. Let me open the first workbook, that is split worksheets in Excel. This workbook has got 4 worksheets inside. So I have to split them out so that they stand in separate workbooks. How do I do it? I will right click on the sheet that I wish to move. I right click, then select move or copy. On the top, I have this drop down. I select that and select new book from the options, and then I click OK. The sheet is now in a new workbook. You just have to repeat the steps. Right click, move or copy, select new book from the drop down, click OK. There we go. Now you can save this file as a new workbook. So this is how we split worksheets from a single book into multiple books. Now let's take a look at how to combine multiple books into a single book. Let me just close this out. Now I have this folder where I have 4 workbooks. I will select all 4 files, right click and click open. Now I have all the 4 files opened. I can simply go to switch windows under view tab and see, okay, these are the files. I also have this book 2 open. I just need to close this down. Okay, now I go back to switch windows. I now have only 4 workbooks opened with me. I wish to combine them into a single book. How do I go about it? So for that, I will arrange them by selecting arrange all under view tab into tiled view. I can select other views. You can just keep exploring with them when you practice. But for this demonstration, I will select tiled. Now I have the best view. I can keep moving my worksheets from all different workbooks into a single workbook. I will choose south.xlsx as my file that I wish to consolidate all these files into. So keeping that on the top left, I will just go into the first file, that is east.xlsx. And now I wish to move a copy of this worksheet. So I will hold down the control key on my keyboard, click on that East sheet tab, and then move that into South workbook and drop it there. There we go. Now I will go into the West sheet. Now I will hold the control key down, drag that worksheet up in the South workbook and drop it there. Now same step on North. I will hold the control key down, hold that North worksheet and drag it into the South workbook. Now I will close these workbooks, expand this one and save this as a new consolidated workbook. Done. So this is how we can quickly split and combine worksheets in Excel. I hope you found this video helpful. In case you have any questions, do not hesitate to write a comment in the section below and I'll be happy to help you. If you haven't already, ensure to subscribe and click on the bell icon to enable notifications. Thank you so much for your time. Stay happy, stay lovely. Until next time.